What we do here is go back.
Welcome to Siquijor, the island of pristine white beaches and rich marine life. From powdery shores perfect for relaxation to vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, this tropical paradise offers both serenity and adventure.
Napakaganda. Halos kumpleto yung makikita mo dito.
In this vlog, we'll dive into the island's crystal clear waters, explore its underwater wonders, and soak in the beauty of Siquijor's breathtaking coastline. Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me.
Ayan, dito naman tayo sa Paliton Beach. So may entrance fee lang na 20 pesos and 10 pesos for the parking fee. Medyo maalon pala dito sa side na to, sa Paliton Beach. Ito na siya, Paliton Beach.
Welcome to Paliton Beach, often called the Little Boracay of Siquijor, a hidden paradise that perfectly captures the island's laid-back charm.
Short stretch lang siya. So maaliwalas, mahangin, pwedeng tumambay dito. Ito yung sikat yata na swing. Ito na yung coconut na nakasnat. Medyo tinayo nila.
Powdered white sand, calm turquoise waters, and rows of coconut trees make Paliton one of the most picturesque beaches on the island. It's not as commercialized as other tourist spots, which means you can still enjoy a peaceful and authentic island vibe.
Tapos yung pinakadagat niya, walang naliligo eh. Hindi ko sure kung pwede ito paliguan.
Relax on the sand and soak in the sun. This is a perfect chill spot. If you're lucky, you might catch locals setting up small food stalls and coconuts for that real island experience. Whether you come for a quiet morning or a golden hour view, this beach always delivers a slice of paradise. Tucked away just outside Siquijor town is Candanay Sur Beach, a quiet, underrated spot that gives you that true island escape vibe.
So dito na tayo sa Candanay Sur Beach. So, another white beach. Check natin kung maganda dito. Oh, pwede nga maligo dito.
This beach features a long stretch of powdery white sand, calm, shallow waters, perfect for swimming, beach walks, or just lying under the shade of palm trees. It's less crowded compared to Paliton, so it feels more like and laid back.
So dito tayo sa Candanay Sur Beach. Maganda rin dito, tapos konti tao. Tapos mas kalma yung dagat. Medyo may konting dumi pero maganda maligo oh. So ligo tayo later. Ganda! Maganda din dito, peaceful. So, visit din kayo dito. Maganda. Hello! Oh, fine white sand din. Ang daming cottages naman dito.
Fishermen's boats line parts of the shore, giving it a simple, authentic seaside charm. Relax and enjoy the peaceful setting. It's ideal if you want a break from more touristy spots. Take a swim in the crystal clear water, great for kids and families since the waves are usually gentle. Candanay Sur Beach is perfect if you're after serenity, no loud crowds, just the sound of waves and rustling palms. And since it's close to town, it's one of the easiest beaches to reach if you just want a quick dip or a sunset stroll.
Masarap maligo. So yung pinakailalim nung dagat is fine naman. Medyo sa una lang medyo mapato ng konti. Pero pag dun sa dulo yun, fine na yung sand. So maganda ding maligo dito sa Candanay Sur Beach. Punta kayo dito pag napunta kayo sa Siquijor.
Our next stop is the Salagdoong Beach, Siquijor's ultimate adventure and relaxation spot rolled into one.
So after entrance, maglalakad ka na ng konti at punta ka na yung beach. Ito na siya.
Salagdoong is a mix of white sand shoreline, crystal clear waters, and dramatic rocky cliffs that make it stand out from the other beaches on the island.
Maiksi lang siya, ito lang siya. Pero ang dami pumupunta. Ito yung pinaka-beach niya. Yung mga pebbles to. Medyo hindi siya komportable sa paa. So, kailangan naka-chinelas ka. Ganyan lang sila natutulog. May beach kaya ginagawa mga foreign papaaraw.
It has a resort-like feel with concrete pathways, huts, and even a water slide built into the rocks, but it still keeps that natural island charm.
So, ito may restaurant din naman. May mabilihan ng food. Check natin ang pwede makain. So, I ordered hotdog sandwich. Tapos may banana, choco, shake sana ko. Kaya lang nakulang doon ang kuryente.
The highlight here? Cliff jumping. There are platforms about 7 to 10 meters high where you can take the plunge into the deep blue water. If that's not your thing, just swim, snorkel, and float around. The water is so clear you'll see fish and corals close to the shore. Families and groups can also rent cottages, making it a nice spot for picnics.
I think madami rin dito kasi malapit na to dun sa Cambogahay Falls. Feeling ko after nang dumidiretso na sila dito.
Salagtoong Beach is one of Siquijor's must-visit spots, an adventure in paradise in one place.
Ang ganandaan dito, Pasipart Beach. Kasi parang same dun sa daan sa Salagtoong. Ganito dun, maraming puno. Ito na siya, so dyan ako nag-park. Pa pala natatapos yung secret beach dito. Sobrang secret naman ito. Pahirapan. So after yung sa motorbike, ito naman bababa ng ilang steps to ate? 65 steps. Okay. Nasaan yung beach? Doon? Ayun, doon pala yung beach. Feeling ko worth it naman to. Ang interesting nung journey pupunta sa kanya. So I think worth it naman to kasi ang dami din nagpupunta dito. Mabato pala siya.
Tucked away from the usual tourist trail is the Secret Beach, a quiet hideaway that truly lives up to its name.
So ito siya, ang linaw ng tubig. So medyo rocky siya, pero I think maganda dito mag-snorkeling daw.
This secluded spot features crystal clear waters and a backdrop of rugged cliffs and palm trees. Unlike the more popular beaches, Secret Beach has a peaceful, untouched vibe. Feels like your own private paradise.
100, 200. So mag-rent na lang ako nito. Itong goggles and snorkel for 100. Yun na lang siguro. Okay, mag-snorkel na ako. Iwan ko na lang yung gamit dito. So yung mga nag-snorkel doon.
Take a dip in the calm, shallow waters, perfect for a refreshing swim. Snorkel near the rocky areas where the small corals and colorful fish can be spotted.
Tapos na akong snorkeling, tsaka mag-swim. Yung malinaw yung tubig dito sa Secret Beach. Magpunta kayo dito kasi interesting yung journey papunta dito. Tapos malalapit lang din yung corals. Yun lang, yung downside lang is yung medyo mabato siya. Pero pwede pa rin pag nandun ka na sa water. Pero yung pag like from dito sa land papunta doon, medyo rocky siya. So dapat may aqua shoes kayo. So yun lang. Maganda dito. So I plan to relax lang here until siguro mag-5. So pahinga lang.
Secret Beach is for those who want to escape and experience Siquijor's quieter side. If you're into hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path adventures, this is the kind of spot you'll treasure. Our next stop is the Dumanhog Beach, one of Siquijor's best-kept secrets and a gateway to some of the island's most amazing free diving spots.
So mag-free dive ako today. This is my second day. So andito na ako sa Dumanhog Beach. Medyo kalma yung dagat. So ito yung Dumanhog Beach. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito sa Dumanhog Beach. So it's 8 a.m. Medyo na late lang ako kasi may workshop dun sa Wonderland. Ang ganda. Healing yung session. So it's 1 hour, 7 to 8. And you will, parang yung workshop ay parang you have to connect more with your body. Magana. Magda-dive kami, free diving. So may 2 spots kami. Yung isa fun dive, the other one is mga may corals. Ang ganda dito sa Dumanhog Beach. Parang mas maganda pa to sa Paliton Beach. Ito yung dagat, oh. So white siya. Mas maganda ditong maligo sa Dumanhog Beach. Hindi mabato yung ilalim. So fine white sand yung ilalim. And then for our itinerary for today, so this morning, mag-free dive. So yung first stop namin is Dumanhog Cubes and Swings. And then the second one is the Marine Sanctuary. I forgot the name. Ito yung goggles. Nilagyan ng toothpaste para mas malinaw. Yung fins.
This beach is white, sandy, and peaceful, the kind of place where you can walk for hours without seeing big crowds. Its raw beauty lined with coconut palms and fishing boats make it feel truly local and authentic. But what makes Dumanhog extra special is what lies beneath the water. Just off the shore, you'll find crystal clear waters, healthy coral reefs, and a vibrant marine ecosystem. Free divers love this spot because of its calm sea conditions and its rich underwater biodiversity. From colorful corals to schools of tropical fish, it's like entering another world the moment you dive down. For beginners, there are free diving schools nearby that offer intro sessions right here in Siquijor. Dumanhog Beach is perfect if you want a mix of relaxation and adventure. Sunbathing on the sand one moment, diving deep into the ocean the next. It's a must visit if you're into marine life or if you want to experience the island beyond just waterfalls and white sand beaches. Our next stop is the Katikugan Marine Sanctuary, one of Siquijor's best spots for free diving and experiencing the island's thriving underwater world.
So dito naman tayo sa second dive spot. Ito yung Katikugan Marine Sanctuary. Ang ganda din dito. So bali may logbook. May babayaran ng 50 pesos per head. Tapos hati-hati kami dun sa 400. So 5 kami. So 80 pesos plus 51.
On the surface, it's quiet and unassuming, but once you dive down, it transforms into a colorful underwater paradise. Katikugan is perfect for free diving because of its calm conditions and stunning visibility. As you descend, you'll see vibrant coral formations, reef, fish, and sometimes even sea turtles. The sanctuary rules ensure the area is preserved, making it a great example of marine conservation in action. It's beginner-friendly too, a great spot for first-time free divers or those training in deeper dives. If you love the ocean, Katikugan gives you the chance to connect with it on a deeper level. Literally, it's not just about the dive, it's about supporting marine conservation and appreciating the life that thrives when nature is protected.
So tapos na yung dive dito sa Katikugan Marine Sanctuary. So this is the second dive spot. I booked under Tats Free Diving. So I will put the link here din. Ang ganda dito sa Siquijor. This is my second time pero first time kong mag free diving. So ang ganda ng marine biodiversity nila. May nakita ko kaninang sea snake o yung walu-walo. Tapos yung mga marine corals nila ang gaganda. Clownfish. Ayun. Tapos ang linis ng tubig. Ang kagandahan dito, protected siya sa sanctuary. Bawal yung mga boats dito. So hindi sila naguhulog ng anchors. Usually kasi sa ibang areas like sa Palawan, nasisira yung corals kasi naghuhulog sila ng anchor ba. So dito, hindi. So meron lang guide. You have to visit and do free diving here in Siquijor. Napakaganda.
And finally, one of the best dive spots in Siquijor, the Tulapos Marine Protected Area, which is the largest and oldest marine sanctuary in Siquijor, a haven for free divers and ocean lovers alike.
So dito naman tayo sa Tulapos Marine Protected Area, good for snorkeling site dito.
Tulapos is located in Enrique Villanueva and is known for its rich biodiversity and long-standing protection efforts.
Free dive. Oo.
100 per pax. And also with the guide, sasama sa inyo, 250.
So dito may rentals din ng goggles, no fins.
Tulapos is a dream spot for free diving. The waters are clear, the reef is healthy, and marine life is thriving. Expect to see colorful corals, reef fish, sea turtles, and even schools of barracuda or reef sharks if you're lucky. The sanctuary's calm conditions make it perfect for both beginners and experienced free divers. Here, every dive feels like entering a whole new world where conservation and beauty come together. Tulapos isn't just a free diving spot. It's a reminder of how important marine protection is. You'll see firsthand the difference conservation makes. It's the kind of place where you can spend hours exploring underwater and still want more. It's more than just a dive. It's a journey into one of the most vibrant and protected marine ecosystems in the Philippines.
So ayan, tapos na tayo sa snorkeling dito sa Tulapos Marine Sanctuary. Ang ganda din, kaganda dito, protected area din siya. So bawal yung mga boat, dapat required na may guide. So yung guide is 250, entrance is 100. Then sayang hindi ko nadala yung GoPro ko, but nag-rent na lang ako ng GoPro sa kanila. So may videographer na yun, so 600 siya. Binayaran ko yung 1,150. So makakatipid kayo if may dala kayong GoPro plus yung user's name. Feedback lang, sobrang ganda pa din yung ilalim. Pag-protected talaga yung area. Ang ganda ng corals, may mga soft corals, may hard corals. Then, dito pa lang, ang daming seagrass. May turtle na agad ako nakita dito pa lang sa bungad. Pero, nagpunta pa kami din sa deeper area. So, dun may mga turtle. So, luckily nakakita ko ng turtle. Then, may mga sharks din. Pero yung mga pilihan lang na sharks. So, nakakita din ako ng black tip shark, basta yung sa tail, ganyan. And then, ang daming clownfish, sobrang dami ng mga anemone. So wala lang daw ditong barracuda for 10 months na, pero still, ang ganda ng ilalim, coral wise, ang ganda mag free dive dito. So you should come visit Tulapos Marine Sanctuary. So very good din dito mag free dive. Alas kompleto yung makikita mo dito. So, come visit Tulapos Marine Sanctuary.
That's the magic of Siquijor's beaches and marine biodiversity, where every sunset feels like a painting and every dive reveals a new underwater world. Whether you're here to relax on the sand, snorkel with colorful fish, or just enjoy the slow island life, Siquijor is a destination that truly captures the heart. For our final episode, we'll explore the island's rich culinary flavors and popular hangout spots. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tropical adventures, and I'll see you on the next one.